Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I will show you exactly how to log out of Messenger on your iPhone in 2025 step by step. Now, it is not as straightforward as logging out of other applications, but I will walk you through the easiest way of doing it. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. Now, when you open your Messenger application and when you tap on the menu icon here in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, you won't be able to find any of the logout option here. Even if you go to the settings of your Messenger account, even if you scroll down in the bottom, you won't be able to find any of the logout option. It is because currently Messenger doesn't have a direct logout button. So in order to sign out, you need to go through the Facebook application. So first of all, you need to launch your Facebook application just like so. Afterwards, you need to make sure that you log in into it with that particular account or with the same account which is basically linked with your Messenger account. So once you are inside your Facebook application, you need to tap on the account section or this menu bar here in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. This is going to open this type of main menu in front of you. Now you have two options here. You can just simply scroll down and tap on the option of log out in your Facebook account. This will automatically log you out from your Messenger application too. But if you want to use Facebook in your Facebook application and you don't want to use the same account in your Messenger application, you can go with the second process. Over here, tap on the option of settings and privacy in your Facebook application. Then you need to go to the settings. Over here, once you are inside your settings, simply use the search bar here in the top and search for security. Now, once you search for security, you are going to see all of the security related information over here. So you need to tap on it and then you need to try to find all of the devices that are basically linked with your Facebook account and that are basically logged in. You can also use the search bar here on the top again and directly you can search for login. Over here it is going to give you a bunch of different login options, like we have saved logins. So you can tap on the option of saved logins in order to see all of the devices where your account is basically logged in, as you can see it over here. You can also come back and tap on the option of activity log in order to check out your activity, and you can also select the option of login with the account in order to see the same. Now from here you need to simply just tap on the three dots right next to the messenger and you need to tap on the option of logout, or you need to simply end the session that is open. If you are doing it on your iPhone, you need to simply search for your iPhone here and you need to simply log out of that device. This way you will be log out of your messenger application on that device, and when you try to again open your messenger application and if it asks you to log in, that simply means that you have been successfully logged out of the messenger application. Now you can either log in here with the same account or you can also switch to the different one. Now if it doesn't log you out immediately, you close the messenger application from the application and then you can reopen it. That usually also do the trick. If this video helped you out, make sure that you consider subscribing this channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.